In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages to your card.so website. If you're looking to enhance the navigation of your site and make it more user-friendly, you've come to the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to create a seamless browsing experience on your card website. Let's get started. First, you'll want to locate and click the plus button to add a new element to your page. This button is your gateway to designing more dynamic sections on your card site. Once you've clicked it, a menu of options will be available to you, showcasing various elements you can add. Next, from this menu, select the Control option. This is crucial as the control element will allow you to manage how different sections of your site interact with one another. The control element essentially acts as a bridge, dividing and connecting parts of your website. Now drag this control element to the specific area on your site where you'd like to create a division. Picture this as drawing invisible borders that separate different sections, making them unique yet accessible parts of your site. The following step involves setting the element type to section break. This might sound a bit technical, but essentially you're defining sections of your site so they can function as individual pages. Section breaks are vital because they create specific stopping points in your site's flow, enhancing navigation and user experience. After setting it as a section break, take a moment to rename it. You might use names like Home, About, or Contact, depending on the content you wish to feature in each section. These names will later serve as identifiable marks for both you and your visitors. Following the creation of these sections, you'll want to enhance them with functional elements like buttons or text links. These interactive features play a significant role as they guide your users from one section to another effortlessly. As you design these buttons or text links, ensure you use the URL of the section break as the link address. This means if you've named a section #home, the button or link should direct to #home. This internal linking method is both effective and user-friendly, creating a flawless transition between sections. Finally, it's time to add your content to each section. Treat these sections as if they were independent pages. Fill them with engaging and relevant information that speaks to the name you've assigned them. For instance, your About section might include details about your brand's history, mission, or team, while Contact could provide ways for visitors to reach out. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively transformed a single-page card.so site into a multi-section experience. Your visitors can now enjoy a more organized and accessible navigation through the pages you've brilliantly crafted. Enjoy your newly enhanced card website.